Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Ever wondered how a video game could teach you about money? Yep, today I'm diving into how Minecraft, the mega popular sandbox game, can actually offer some valuable lessons on financial literacy. First up, let's talk about resources. In Minecraft, you start with nothing. You have to gather wood, stone, and other materials to build your empire. It's much like starting with a small budget or even $0. You have to look for opportunities, gather your resources, and make smart decisions about how you use them. Sounds familiar, right? Next, let's discuss investments. In Minecraft, you invest time and effort into mining and farming, but what do you get in return? More resources, better tools, and eventually more freedom to create. It's similar to the real world, where you invest money into stocks, education, or even a side hustle, aiming for a bigger return on investment. Then there's the concept of risk management. When you go mining, you have to make sure you're prepared, armor, weapons, and enough food. You'll never know what dangers lie ahead, just like in the financial markets. Preparation is key to managing risks and protecting your hard-earned resources. And let's not forget about diversification. In Minecraft, you don't just focus on one type of resource, you gather a bit of everything: wood, iron, coal, diamonds. This diversification is crucial because it makes you more resilient to unexpected changes. Similarly, in finance, spreading your investments across different asset classes can help you weather economic storms. Finally, let's touch on the importance of planning. Building that dream castle or automated farm in Minecraft doesn't happen overnight. You need a clear plan, step-by-step actions, and sometimes a bit of trial and error. This is exactly how you should approach financial planning. Set your goals, make a plan, and be prepared to adjust as you go. So there you have it. Minecraft isn't just a game. It's a treasure trove of financial wisdom waiting to be uncovered. The next time you mine for diamonds or build that epic fortress, remember, you're also honing your financial skills. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more interesting insights. See you next time.